Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to look at how you can make money with affiliate marketing and a blog, and more specifically we're going to focus on niche blogs. So if you don't know what any of that means, please don't worry, because I'm going to walk you through this step by step. And as always, I'm going to show you some real life examples of some of my niche blogs and websites and how I'm earning essentially a passive income with this. So let's jump over here and we'll go onto Google. Now you see here I've just typed in best baby monitor. So what's happening here is people come onto Google every single day and they type in these search terms here, or these long tail keywords, and you can see here best baby monitor has currently got 60,500 people searching for this every single month. Now if I scroll down the page here, you see this website here, this wired.co.uk, the best baby monitor for any budget in 2020. I'm just going to click on this one here, and look, there's many more of these. Look, you can go through and look at all of these ones here, but I'll just show you this one as an example and how they're making money from this. So let me just click on accept here. So what happens is, scroll down here, this website Wired here, look. The best baby monitor you can buy right now is this one here. Guess what? If I click on this, let me just show you this. If I click on this and go through, take me over to Argos here. Just click on here. If I purchase this product, the website, let me go back here. This website here, this Wired, will earn an affiliate commission. It's really simple. If we come down here, look, another product here. Anyone clicks on this, they earn an affiliate commission. This one, come further down, look, this one, and many more. So this here is an example of well, it's not specifically niche, this website here, because as you can see they've got technology, science, they've got lots of different categories on here. But within any of these articles over here, anybody comes ahead and clicks and goes through to whether it's Amazon or Argos or any of these different websites, they will earn an affiliate commission. Now look, let me just go ahead and show you some examples of some of my niche blogs. So if I come over here, this is my Not Taught at School blog. So within my blog here, I've got links to certain affiliate products, and anybody clicks on those and purchases them, I earn an affiliate commission. Now this website over here, or this blog, this isn't very niche, because you can see I've got how to make money, save money, courses, blogging tips, quotes, and lots more on here. An example of a niche blog would be this one over here, and this is one of my websites. So this one here is called Lineman Boots and Tools, and basically this is all focused around the niche of linemen and people who work within this industry. So you can see on here, look, lineman boots, 5 must-haves, tools, schools, boots, tools, and again here. So if I come here, and let me just click on the first one. So you see this product here. This is a review, this Hoffman Boots Powerline review. So if somebody goes onto Google and types in these keywords here, Hoffman Boots Powerline review, my article's popping up and they're coming through, reading this article, and we'll go through, look, the actual review of this, the usage of the product, the verdict, and other bits on here. If anybody clicks on any of my links on this page here, so whether it's this one here, any of these down here, guess what? They go over to Amazon, they purchase the product, and I earn an affiliate commission. And also, as a side note, if they purchase any of the products on Amazon within 24 hours, I also earn an affiliate commission for any of the products which they go ahead and buy. So it's pretty cool. So this website over here, this Lineman Boots and Tools, is all in the niche of linemen. Let me give you another example. This is another one of my websites. It's called Fly Killer Guide, and again, it's all focused around these ugly things over here, flies. Look, fly traps, homemade fly traps, fly killers, swatters, and also reviews. So again, somebody goes on Google and they're searching for this bug assault review, or this bug assault salt gun. They land on my website here. Look, we've got a bug assault review about the product, thoughts and details, and then also we've got 2.0 versus the lawn edition. Come down here, choosing and buying bug assault, features and specifications, thoughts, final thoughts, and again, link. So someone goes on Google, they have a problem within a certain niche, and it doesn't have to be a problem. You can be providing a solution, or just a general query. They land on your blog or your website, and you can earn an affiliate commission. And this is just one way that you can earn money from a blog or a niche blog, which is whereby you're recommending a product or you're sending them over to a website. You can earn money in a number of ways. You can earn money from ads, sponsored ads, and there's a few different ways that you can do this. If I come over here, so this website here is mine, this Fly Killer Guide. This one over here, Lineman Boots and Tools, this is mine. Not Taught at School, obviously mine. And look, I've got probably about 9 or 10 different niche websites at this moment in time. But let me give you another example over here. This is a website called herepup.com, and again, scroll down the page here. Look, you see this at the bottom here? This is an ad. If I was to go ahead and click on this now, this website here would earn an affiliate. In fact, let me click on here. So there we go. I'll click on that for them, and they will earn a small commission for that. So let me come off here. If I was to go ahead and purchase a website or hosting with GoDaddy, they would earn more. And there's a number of ways that you can earn from these different ads along the bottom. But let me just come out with this here. So if I scroll down here, look, you can see from the blog. So look at this, a review of 4 major types. So if we go into this here, and we'll go into this article, I'll just quickly scroll down, I'll show you this, look. I'll look at puppy worms. They need to update this because they've got a random video which is no longer showing. Come further on the page, look, another ad. And if you notice over here on the right hand side, these over here are ads. Ads, all ads. Come further down here, let's see if we can find any more of these affiliate commissions. Basically, anywhere where you can see this, it's either linking to an affiliate product or it's linking to another page within this blog. So look, if you are going to deworm a puppy, if I click on this, I have no doubt it will take me to an article. Let's go on here. It will take me to, yeah, look, it's on the same blog, a dewormer for dogs. Scroll down the page here, look. They've got products that they're recommending and rating. Scroll further on the page here. Look, let's keep coming down. And look, our final recommendations. This is the products that they're recommending. If I click on here, where's this going to send me? It's sending me over to Amazon. So if I was to click this, go over to Amazon, I'd earn an affiliate commission. Look, buy on Amazon, buy on Chewy. Come further down the page, here's the next one. Come further down, Amazon, Chewy, etc. So this here is a website focused all around puppies. So if I take this back up to the top, this is the website here. This one over here is how to play piano. Look, the easy way to learn piano. And again, look, they've got free lessons on here. And again, they will also have an affiliate product. Anybody purchases the product, clicks and goes and buys the product, they earn an affiliate commission. So how does it all work? So if we go back over here to this Lineman Boots and Tools blog of mine over here, this is a niche website all around this niche here. So you see this example here, this Hoffman Boots Powerline review. People within this industry, obviously, they're looking for these sorts of boots and they're going to Google and they type in reviews. Now these are incredibly expensive. Let me go and show you this. So look, $350, $350, $360, $340. So this is over on the Hoffman Boots actual website. So you see this article over here. I've actually gone ahead and got this ranked on Google. So when people are searching for, these boots / review, my article pops up in the #1 position via something called a snippet. So if I come over here and I'll just show you this so you can see this is actually true. So at this moment in time, there's 10 people every single month searching for this exact keyword, Hoffman Powerline Boots Reviews. Go back over here. Hoffman Boots Powerline Review. Now you see here on Google, let me just come out with this. This here is known as, you see, a featured snippet. So what is a featured snippet? If you just click on here, look, how featured snippet works. Basically, Google provides a quick answer or summary with a content snippet from a relevant website. So if we go back over here, so this here is from my website. So anyone searching this, guess what? They're seeing this right at the top. Not only do they get a snippet here, they also get an image and a link over to the website. Scroll further down the page. Let me just come down here. You can see these images down here. Again, if I click on this one here, look, going over to, look, lineman boots and tools. Okay, now, for those of you who don't know, at this moment in time, I'm not actually in what is known as an incognito browser. This here is the browser linked to my Not Taught at School account. So to show you that this is actually ranking on Google, I'm going to come over here into an incognito mode. And what that basically means is, it will have no search history, so it won't link it to my account. So you can see on here, I've just typed in Hoffman Powerline Boots Reviews, and again, look, let me just get rid of this. See, this is indeed you can see up here, incognito. So if I move this back, if I just move this back down here, you can see here is the snippet and here is my blog right at the top of here. So this is, and again, the image down here. So if I come out of this and go back over here. So this is how this whole method works. You decide on a niche, you then go ahead and you find products that you want to promote in that niche, and then you create content. And the content that you create for niche blogs, it's all geared around appearing here on Google at the top of page 1. Now, if I come back over here, so at this moment in time, there are only 10 people a month searching for these Hoffman Boot Powerline review. But that's 10 people, and out of those 10, mine's right at the top, and every single one. And look, this is just one. Look, lineman boots reviews. This is one. This is one. This is one. Another one, etc., etc. So how it works is, in terms of creating niche blogs, you have to basically be putting in as much information which Google can pull out of your article, and what you've got to remember is Google is trying to give the best search results for anyone who's typing in a keyword or, a number of keywords into Google. So in terms of niche blogging, you need to structure your content correctly. You need to include your keywords like this. You need to include keywords within your images and, throughout the article as well, and you don't spam it. It's got to look organic, and it's known as keyword stuff. And if I was just to go ahead and put Hoffman Boots Powerline review throughout this whole article, Google wouldn't even rank this because it's known as keyword stuffing, which basically means you're putting in too many of the same keyword into an article. But overall, yes, it does take a little bit of time and effort to go ahead and create content and put it up on blogs and websites, but once it's done, and it can bring you in a passive income, because this article here, I don't need to touch this anymore. It's been done, the work's been done, it's now ranking on Google, and it's bringing me in traffic over to this. And guess what? Anyone who's going ahead and searching for this product here, do you think they may be interested in other products related to linemen? Absolutely. So there's a number of ways that you can earn from commission. So this here is just boots. You can see there's a number of reviews in here. Come up here, we've then got tools related to this product, and then we've got a blog and other bits on here. And it's the same on this website, it's the same on this website here. Again, look, you can see all of these reviews and other bits down the side here. Look, fly killer reviews, electric swatters. If we're going to here from memory, this is, I think it's so 7 of the best. And again, go down, and then again we've got links over here to different products. So this is how it all works, and people try this method and they fail, and the reason why they fail is they don't know how to structure their content, they don't understand how to do basic keyword research, they don't understand how to include the keywords within their articles, and lots of other little bits which are incredibly important when it comes to creating a niche website. Now, I've been running websites and niche websites for a number of years, and I'll show you how you can do this for free. So you see this over here, this is a platform called Wealthy Affiliate, and you can see here a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels, and this is perfect if you're just getting started, if you have some experience, or even if you're a successful affiliate marketer. And if you come down here, you can see basically transform your ideas into profits. So you can start a business from over 1 million lucrative niches, and they show you all of this with inside. And look, get started. It's absolutely free. You can build a website for free. There's training in here for free. If I come down here, see what they do is there's many more different ways and methods that you can do this, but you can see here wealthy affiliate members earn Google rankings and a huge share of traffic online. There's different methods that you can integrate, so you can become an affiliate with Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify. And if I come down here, a brief snapshot, wealthy affiliate powers affiliate marketers worldwide. So basically, they've been around for 15 years. There's currently over 1 million members in here. There's a lot of coaches and they're available in over 193 different countries. It's really good. The best thing about this whole platform, this Wealthy Affiliate here, is the community and the free training that you get access to in here. But look, you can find keywords, niches, you can spy on competition, you can get expert coaching, which is free, and how it walks through affiliate marketing and other bits. And look, zero risk. So if I come up here, let me just log into my account, I'll show you this. Predominantly when I signed up with Wealthy Affiliate, it was to learn more about the training. So if I come here, you can see this is inside of my account. Now on the left hand side, you've got a dashboard and you've got training and websites that you've built within Wealthy Affiliate. You've got live events, research, different affiliate programs, so you can go ahead and find lots of affiliate programs live within here. Then here, down the middle, you see this, you have people within the community who are going ahead and sharing content in here. And over on the right hand side, you can see this was updated a few seconds ago, a minute ago. What happens here is people create their content or their blog articles, they share it within the community, and people give them feedback on this and say, go ahead and change this, change that. And you can see there's people down here sharing, people liking and comments. It's really good. You've got today's top 10 posts. Look at this, I'm so happy I made it, I achieved one of my goals. And you can just go through and have a look at all of this, and again, you can do this for free. So if we go over here onto the training, I'll just quickly show you this. On the left hand side here, you have all of these different trainings that you can go into. Now I've not gone into some of these because I know about content, keywords, and other bits as well, but if you're an absolute beginner, going through and looking at things like this about giving your site social value and creating content and keywords and conversions and all this sort of stuff, all of this here, it's free, so you can go ahead and get access to this. There's a number of different training videos in here. They're all videos, so you click on here and it will walk you through. But you can see here, look, building your own traffic producing website. It will show you how to do this. This is task 1 of 35. You've then got making money and lots more in here, and you've also got training HQ and many more. So if you're interested in going ahead and creating a niche blog or a niche website, then go ahead, click the link down below. It'll take you over to Wealthy Affiliate, sign up for free, go ahead, take the training, create your free website, and you can start to drive traffic. Now look, there is a paid version with this, and basically, like most things, it just opens up a lot more doors for you. Do you need the paid version? No, you absolutely do not. Will the paid version help you, as you progress within your niche blog and niche websites? 100%, because it just opens up more training for you. It gives you more options around websites and other bits. But if you're first getting started, then this here is without a doubt one of the best platforms that you can use, because it's free. You've got a community will help you and answer your questions, and you've also got expert coaching from a number of people. But look, that's today's video of one last thing. Do you need Wealthy Affiliate? No, you don't have to go down Wealthy Affiliate. If you wanted to go down the route of creating a blog on Blogger or any of these free websites, you can do. The reason why I share this and use this and recommend it is predominantly for the training side of it. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. But overall, this is a great method to make money online, and it's affiliate marketing with blogs, and more specifically niche blogs, and we've covered a number of these. So look, I hope you found it useful. If you did, please leave a comment down below, give the video a like, I'd really appreciate that, or a dislike if you didn't enjoy it. So again, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.